Hey everybody, Mike here. Welcome to a new video in Blender for Maya users. Now, you don't necessarily have to be a Maya user, but if you have a background in Maya, then this is probably the quickest way for you to get up to speed in Blender, right? Now, in this video, we're going to talk about moving, rotating, and scaling an object. And I'm going to show you two methods. One is the default Blender method, and the second method will be for Maya users. So basically, after we have set our settings in Blender to Maya settings. And I showed you how to do that in the previous video, right? Okay, so let's get started. We have an object, and the object is selected because I have an orange outline, right? Now, first I want to make sure that I'm in default Blender settings. So Edit, Preferences, go to the key map, and up here it says Blender. So this is default Blender, right? Now, how would I move this object? Well, on the left here we have buttons: move, rotate, and scale. I can click on move to move it, or what I can do is make sure it's selected, hover my mouse over this one, and it will say that the shortcut is Shift Spacebar G or just G, right? So if I select it and I hit G, it's kind of connected to my mouse, and as I move it around, I can move it, right? I can also do the full shortcut, which is Shift Spacebar G. So select it, Shift Spacebar, which will open up that menu, and then right here it says G is move, and then I will get these axes, okay? Now the same goes for rotate. So if I click on rotate, I'll get this tool. I can do it another way as well. Shift Spacebar, right? Rotate, which is R. Click on that, and there you go. I can rotate. Let's see. Scale, same deal, right? I can click on scale, which allows me to scale it, or I can go in, have it selected. Let's check the shortcut. It's S. So we're going to go to Shift Spacebar and click on S, and there you go. We have the same controls. All right. So you can click on the buttons, or you can use these shortcuts. But this is default Blender, okay? So what if you have changed your settings to Maya? Well, let's do that. We're going to go to Edit, Preferences, under Key Map. We're going to change Blender to Industry Compatible, right? Close that out. We're going to go up here, and we're going to simply select our object, okay? Now, what would we do in Maya if we wanted to, let's say, rotate something? We would hit E on our keyboard, and as I hit E, you'll see it does exactly that, right? Okay. What else? Let's say I want to move it, right? We're going to hit W, as you would in Maya, and it will do exactly that. And then finally, we have scaling, right? We hit R to scale, and we can scale. Okay, so it's W to move, E to rotate, and R to scale, just like in Maya. Pretty cool, right? So yeah, that's how you do that. And in the coming videos, I'm going to explain pretty straightforward things to get you up to speed. Things like adding edge loops, beveling, and so forth and so on. And as we build up that skill set, we'll go towards our first model, right? So if you want to be part of that, and if you don't want to miss anything, then make sure you hit that sub button and hit that little bell thing so you get notified when new videos come out, right? Well, that's it for me. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Well, thanks for watching. And before you go, please hit that MH button to subscribe, okay? See you guys next time. Bye.